Hello everybody. This is part of a series on amazing walks in Vancouver. And today I'm going to take you on a walk that I like to think of as Vancouver's secret garden. Why is it secret? Well, not a lot of people know about it. Unless you live in the neighborhood and you've discovered it, it's actually a pretty quiet place in Vancouver. Secondly, it kind of comes upon you like a surprise, right in the middle of the forest. Welcome to Camosun Bog. This place is an ecological success story. In the early 90s, the bog had been drained and it was basically invaded by invasive plants and trees until the city and a whole crew of volunteers decided to restore it.
I love this part of the bog where you can see the sphagnum moss has kind of made these mounds and taking over like the tree stumps. You can hardly see the tree stump anymore. This just molds everything.
The only downside of the bog, it's just a little bit too short. The whole boardwalk is really only about 250 meters. So if you're trying to get 10,000 steps in, you're going to have to push yourself a little bit, but no worries. Once you get to this point, you don't quite complete the circuit. All you have to do is take a left-hand turn and you just keep on walking. Once you go up the stairs, you get to a little flat area. And it's really great because there are washrooms here. We often continue our walks to the top of the bog. That's what we call it. Believe me, it's not written on any kind of map anywhere. But we keep going up the hill until we get to Imperial Drive. Hey Steve, what are you doing?
I've always got to go around the gate, otherwise the walk's not complete. You got to touch the very end to complete the walk.
Another way you can lengthen your walk is when you get to the top of the stairs, instead of going to the very top of the bog to Imperial Drive, you just come around the circle and you head off down Camosun Trail, which is just a lovely little forested hike. And you can turn around and come back, or you could make a complete circuit of it and end up where you started from. So we're back at the stairs again, and we're heading down and we're heading home. But Steve, what is something we always look for when we come on this walk?
We look for owls because we've seen owls just right up here a couple of times.
That's right. I'm going to just turn around so you can see. No owls today. Also, if you're really lucky, what else might you see?
A coyote.
You might see a coyote. We always keep Jasper on a leash because, well, we don't want him to get eaten by coyotes. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I will include a link to Pacific Spirit Park, to the maps, and to show you where we walked today.